So far, we've seen how a genus groups together closely related species. But what happens when we step back and ask, what connects different genera? This leads us to the next rank of classification, the family. A family brings together multiple genera that share broader structural and genetic traits, forming a more inclusive biological group. Think of your extended family. You and your cousins might have different last names, but you still share common ancestors and family characteristics. Similarly, in taxonomy, the family level helps us identify larger patterns in the diversity of life. In animals, families are created by grouping genera that have key shared characteristics. Take the Felidae family. It includes big cats like lions, tigers, and leopards from the genus Panthera, as well as domestic cats from the genus Felis. Though they differ in size, habitat, and behavior, they share strong genetic and anatomical similarities. Families are recognized by studying traits like body structure, reproduction methods, and behavior patterns. These common threads help scientists trace evolutionary links that are not always obvious at first glance. In plants, families are often defined by the structure of flowers and reproductive organs. The family Solanaceae, for instance, includes the genus Solanum, potatoes, as well as Petunia and Datura. Even though these plants may look very different in the field or garden, their floral patterns, like petal arrangement and stamen structure, are remarkably similar. Understanding plant families is vital for botanists as it helps group species correctly, and for farmers as it aids in selecting and cultivating related crops. Let's compare two well-known animal families, Felidae and Canidae. Felidae, the cat family, includes lions, tigers, and domestic cats, known for their retractable claws and silent, solitary hunting style. Canidae, the dog family, includes wolves, foxes, and domestic dogs, which often hunt in packs and have non-retractable claws. Although both families fall under the order Carnivora, their anatomical and behavioral differences are distinct enough to place them in separate families, illustrating how classification reflects evolutionary history. In the classification ladder, family sits above genus and below order. It acts as a bridge connecting detailed traits of species and genera with the broader features of an order. By identifying an organism's family, scientists can track evolutionary traits across multiple genera, identify wild relatives of cultivated species, and even conduct genetic or medical research that spans related groups. The family level ensures that taxonomy remains both precise and well-structured. The family level in taxonomy is more than just a classification label, it reveals deep biological relationships. By grouping genera into families, scientists can simplify biodiversity into meaningful clusters, making it easier to study patterns in evolution, behavior, and ecological roles. From the plants in your garden to the animals in a forest, every organism belongs to a family. This category gives shape and order to the incredible variety of life, helping us understand, explore, and ultimately protect our natural world.